In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure Devicenet communication in KUKA Robot. Basically, robot can be master station or slave station. So we're gonna focus on these two: master configuration and slave configuration for Devicenet communication. And for hardware preparation, you need these two modules according to slave station or master station. For master station, you have to prepare EK1100 module and EL6752 slave Devicenet slave module or master module. This is for master module Devicenet. And if the robot is slave station, then you still need EK1100 and slave module EL67520010. This is for slave Devicenet slave module. One more time, I just see it around. So this is for Devicenet slave module. This is for master module Devicenet. You get it? Master, slave. Okay, let's begin our topic. So once you already install the hardware in the cabinet, the next step you have to import this XML file in work visual so that you can configure. So I'm gonna show you one more time how to import XML file into work visual. Double click it. Do not open a project. Choose File, choose Import, choose Import Device Description File. Browse, choose, find the XML file EK, this one and the sixth one and this one. Open it. Next. Just next. Waiting. It's updating. Just waiting, updating. Okay, finish. The next step, open the project you want to configure Devicenet communication. Open a project. Open it. For the work visual project I introduced before, you can upload from the robot or you can find it in the backup file. So we skip this step. So we activate. We activate. And the Devicenet communication should add configured under KUKA extension bus system X44. First, we add EK1100. Okay, we choose the newest version. We click on it. Alright, the next step. The next step, choose Devicenet. Let's begin with the master configuration. Then we talk about slave configuration. We choose master. Okay, this is the newest one. Master station already added, and we choose add generic device. Added. Okay, then we already added. The next step is double click on it and choose gateway settings. This is for robot as master Devicenet address. You just type the number. Okay, this is the baud rate. You type it This is for robot side. And for slave side, you need to type the slave Devicenet address. Type here. Okay? Then you choose OK. The next step, you have to configure input and output. Double click on it. Choose connection configuration. Basically, we choose here per byte, not bit. Which one you just based on your situation. Okay. Produced means input. Consumed means output. One more time. Produced means input. Consumed means output. So you type the specific size you need and choose apply. Okay, then you configured the I/O address. The next step should mapping. Click mapping. Click field bus. Choose KUKA. First, we begin with the input. Choose the Ethernet. Okay. Because this is byte, this is bit. You can click on this icon. You can choose split all signals. Okay. Then okay. Then you can configure I/O mapping I introduced before. You choose here. You can see. Okay. And once you configured input mapping, then you choose output mapping. Choose here and filter input, then output, still mapping. Okay, this is the all steps for KUKA Robot Devicenet master station configuration. So the next we're gonna configure the robot as Devicenet slave. It's the same steps, a little bit different. We just delete it. Okay, we still need to EK1100, same steps. And we add, this time we add slave module. We add slave module, and still we add generic Devicenet. Okay, and we choose, this time we only have the robot slave address setting and the baud rate. Okay, and still you need site. You need configure produced input, consumed output. Okay, and apply. And the next step, still I/O mapping. Okay, choose input. Still you have to split all signals. Okay, then you just the same, input with input, output with output. Choose output and with output. As you can see, this is the all steps for KUKA Robot Devicenet, either master or slave station configuration. Still, if you are master of KUKA Robot, ignore this video. If you are beginners, hopefully it's useful to you. See you next video.